Hi guys! So today I'm so excited. I've not seen Max in quite some time because of the novel virus. You know what I'm saying?
No, Simon, is before that. I went to the funeral the 29th of February, and then the other week it was sports day, so I was very tired this Sabbath. I did not come to church. So we have not seen each other in about 3 weeks.
Yes, in about 3 weeks, guys. And so today we had to look up out of the road. We're not much on the road today because, you know, the virus is, you know, or we're buying up anything that's not up bad right now.
You just a no man.
You don't look bad, Max. The lighting is good.
You look bad.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited to be on the road with Max. I've not seen Max in the longest. Who vex?
Them vex.
Them vex bad, them teeth for hurt them.
Ooh,
Max, if you vex, make a pass some hand sanitizer right now. Yeah.
And some Clorox wipes. I bet them lick me when I lick you, they sleep all.
Guys, so amidst this crisis of Corona, we decided to stop at a Lucky Chinese restaurant here in Barbican Part 2 when I'm part in all of this Corona mess. Like we're on the premises about to buy Chinese food. If anything should happen, just know. Right, Max? I'm joking.
See, man, his right name there is right name? Let's say is this is Waterloo Road.
Waterloo Road?
Yes.
Well, you like the feel of it?
Yeah.
But
This is Waterloo Road.
cut her loose. Freedom. She needs freedom too. Hey, freedom, Chinese food in a coronavirus thing. Ooh. Hey, man, call the bullshit. Spin a roll. I can't bother. Hi, guys. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am your boy Semal, #KingLil, of course, coming to you live and direct in the flesh. Now, this is Jamaica. This is Take Something. This is Jamaica here in this Corona crisis, and this is how we're managing. I'm basically showing you guys clips of what's going on here in the island. Guys, I am here with Max, and you know Max is my friend, one of my dearest friends on this planet and on this universe. Now we're out here in Corona. What may I tell you? God above no said this Rona thing she need to go. She need to go in Jesus' name, Max.
When I say him need to go,
Him or she? Alright, fine. He needs to go.
Woman have a problem? No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Comment down below. What do you think? He or she should go? I don't know. The virus needs to go.
He should go.
See, I say man a problem.
Back him up. Of course, big time. You pick them up, you pick up trouble, you put them down, you put down trouble.
No, what if somebody come grab this shit?
Just so we can't live without them. Our man will grab it, you know. Woman will grab that neither.
The woman have the potential to grab the phone as well back.
She work with a man. Anytime you see that, she's working with a man.
Jesus. Men are not the root of causes in the world. Anyways, so this is Jamaica in the Corona season. So, well, Corona time. And this is how we're coping, you know?
Real season of Corona.
You don't even look, Max. Boy, I'm just what am I tell you? Guys, I know you're probably saying that what is going on here. Listen, don't judge my hairline. I've not Max, don't laugh. I've not been to the barber because I'm not risking it. I'm not Jamaica. This is a third world country. I'm not chancing it.
I can trim you.
Max will say, but I never come on the road again if Max trim me. If I never walk a road in peace. You understand?
I get 2 girls or more.
Oh my God! Max, listen to me. Listen.
I'm bad.
You see me here look bad, but I look.
What girl name you like?
You don't make me go all on you guys. This is the plaza. This is Corona. Max, somebody come to me for and grab boss. You can grab this. The line is crazy. This is Jamaica, guys. The plaza is full. Right through, and it's because I think everybody's doing their last minute shopping. Because tomorrow will be a lot. I thought a lot of
May.
Maybe a total lot.
PM not talk yet, the PM not talk yet. Andrew, all
Maybe
less
a
not
total.
talk.
Your Max is showing. She's not showing shade. She's just saying.
Andrew, allness.
So that's the line for the supermarket guys. And we're not. Jesus, now black that out.
Simple.
Oh my gosh! So guys, you have to try next supermarket because this not right.
Alright, let's just look at this side and then we come. We exit the plaza. Just a big shop. Did you get a video, man?
Yeah, I caught it. Okay. But you want me to catch it again? Max, you know next week Tuesday is the Queen's birthday. We're currently at National Bakery, guys, and this is it. And let me try to zoom in to get you guys a closer feed of the inside. That's Max, my friend, walking past. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Social distancing is a big thing, and I think every Jamaican, every person in this world right now should be practicing good social distancing, because at the end of the day, it's your health, and your health determines your wealth. And if it is in your best health, I'm trying to maintain that standard English because I'm catering to a wider audience. If it is that you are not taking your health into perspective, it decreases, of course, your life expectancy. And at the end of the day, all of us want to live to become the best versions of ourselves and make whomever in our lives proud. Now, if it is that you contract this virus, it threatens your dreams in terms of coming to fruition and actualizing them. So at the end of the day, your health is your wealth, and you need to take it seriously. Social distancing, have the hand sanitizer, wash your hands. All of these things are very important and very critical in this time, because trust me, don't never get picked. That never get picked. So at the end of the day, guys, you have to bear in mind that we are all in this, and it takes all of us in order to fight this virus that we cannot see. But yet it wreaks havoc on our lungs and on our bodies. So at the end of the day, we have to take the decision, a conscious decision to fight this virus effectively. So now, guys, Jamaica is currently at less than 200 persons who are infected. It is around 143 the last time I checked it, and 4 deaths. So all in all, we're not bad like the other parts of the world. However, for a small island, that is really bad, and we're a third world developing country, so we don't have the necessary resources to accommodate persons who fall ill or victim to this virus. So we need to really Jamaica, you need to wake up. Wake up and smell the roses and the coffee, because the coffee is going to take a bun up. It's not playing, okay? It's not playing. So we need to take action against this and try to prevent it by any means necessary. When I ask you, because at the end of the day, everybody wants to live and become the best version of themselves. Best version of this one. That one. Hold on, guys. I'm opening the door for Max. Oh my God.
Oh no.
Just put it there. Guys, see, so we're practicing social distancing.
You're not doing it properly because you want video time.
Alright, so hi guys. I'm actually here today. This is the countdown to my birthday. This is Jamaica in Corona. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Imagine me until. Guys, these are the little shells in the supermarket. Partially empty. Max have an arm. Some areas are full. The areas that are not full is the areas like with bread and the next essential things. I guess meat is kind of still keeping up and stuff. But this is pretty much Jamaica in Corona. This is supermarket at well, we can't tell the location, but yeah. As I'm saying, this is the most this is probably the first time seeing so much empty shells here in Jamaica. But it just goes to show that this is the reality and it is taking a toll on our economy and the local produce. So I guess this is gonna be it from onward. Yeah, post it too soon. If you ever post it, then Mama. So this is life of a Jamaican in truth. And this is a plum tree. Here's a plum. Here's a plum. Yeah, they call them Chinese plums. Focus. Chinese plums, yeah. So these are they and stuff.